Finally, we'll be doing the final stitches. We'll use the invisible stitch method we introduced earlier. Insert the needle from the inside. You can place the insertion point a bit further in like I do. Sewing a bit more will make it more secure. After pulling the thread through, turn the finger puppet so that its belly side is facing you. Then, insert the needle again, at the symmetrical point opposite the exit point, and bring it out immediately at the following point. Return to the side where you first inserted the needle. Start the same way, insert the needle, then bring it out immediately at the next point. Leave the last one stitch open temporarily. Take the end of the previously knotted cord, including the knot, and tuck it into the hole you left open. You can use tweezers to help push it in. Continue with one more stitch. At the very end, pass the needle through the loop of the cord, then go to the opposite side and sew the final stitch. Following the direction of the stitching, pinch the remaining thread and pull it firmly. Do not pull too tightly, or it may cause puckering. If wrinkles appear, you can gently loosen the thread to smooth them out. Once done, you can tie the knot. Give the puppet a gentle squeeze to help distribute the stuffing evenly. All finished.